Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online using this platform called Selar and some other method I'm going to show you in today's video. So as you can see here, I have over 130,200 naira 130,000 naira here on this platform called Selar. And if you check down here, you can see I've done a lot of transactions. I've withdrawn a lot of money from this platform as well, Selar. So if you're interested, then watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online, actually doing something that is actually going to make money, that is actually going to make you real money. Okay, so guys, my name is Kingsley and welcome to this channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So on this channel we talk about money and a whole lot of other stuff, so make sure you are subscribed and turn on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video. So like I said, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online using this platform called Selar. Now Selar is a platform where you can just sell your digital products. Now even if you don't have digital products to sell, watch this video, because in this video I'm going to show you where to get free premium digital products that you can sell, and I'm also going to show you exactly how to go about every single step. So this video is packed with a lot of information. Keep watching. So like I said, with Selar you can sell digital products easily. Okay, you can sell with any currency, as you can see here, with USD, with Ghana cedis, with Kenyan chiles, with pounds, with euros. You can sell with any type of currency you want, and people can be able to access the digital products that you've sold, okay, worldwide. So this platform also integrates with a lot of high profile platform like Mailchimp, ConvertKit. You might not know all these platforms, but if you're into online space, if you're into website and all of those things, you should know them. But if you don't know them, then they are not your business. I'm actually going to show you what your business is all about. So your business is all about how can you make money using this platform. Now, because this platform is free to use and you can actually sell your products, okay, with it, then I'm going to show you how to sell your products with it so that you can actually make money online selling those products. Now if you want to make money online selling products, especially digital products, you need to, number one, first of all, you need to either create the digital products yourself. Okay, it's either you create the digital products yourself. You can create digital products like templates, a whole lot of stuff. And if you want to create like templates, you can use Canva to create templates and all of those things. Okay, so you can also create ebooks. Okay, you can also use this platform called Canva to create your ebooks. So all you just need to do is to get these things up and running, and you can create all of those things. But let's say you don't want to go the route of creating your own digital products now, but you want to be able to also sell digital products in order for you to make money. Because let me tell you the truth, digital products actually sell now because there are a lot of problems people are facing. So if you can give them solution to those problems, they will actually buy the solution, especially if the solution works. Okay, so now how can we get these digital products that we can sell that we didn't create on our own? If you have the time to create digital products, let's say ebook, softwares or videos or all of those things, then you should go ahead to create it. But what if you don't have the time and you don't know exactly how to create it? What can you do? Then you can go through the second method called using PLR products. Now you're going to use high quality PLR products. Okay, so now somebody might ask me, what is PLR? What is PLR? Okay, PLR stands for private label rights. Okay, and this actually gives you the license agreement that grants you to sell any assets like documents, videos, softwares, ebooks, audios, or other files. Okay, now in this platform called indigitalworks.com, okay, they can allow you download their high quality ebooks, software, video, templates, graphics, audios, a whole lot of files, a whole lot of digital products. They can allow you download it for free, and you should be able to download it for free, go through it, then identify the problem that these products can be able to solve, and you can now be able to resell this product and keep 100% of the money or the profit you have made. Okay, so guys, this is a very fantastic business, but you need to understand it first before you go ahead to start selling the products, right? So you need to understand what exactly you are doing. So on this platform called In Digital Works, they are going to provide you with high quality PLR products that you can feel good about selling to your customers. Now this high quality PLR products are products that have been made by webmasters, by internet marketers, by bloggers. Over a whole lot of online personnel have made this high quality PLR products. Now you need to come to this platform and register. Okay, when you register on the free account on this platform, you get access to 200 products and no obligation. Okay, cancel at any time, 100% risk. Okay, so you have access to 200 products when you register for a free account. If you decide to pay for account, then you got access to more and more products. Now let me walk you through some of the products they have on this platform that you can sell. Now if you go to free ebooks, I'm going to open this on a new tab. Go to free software, I'll open it on a new tab. Go to free videos, I'll also open it on a new tab. Free templates or theme, open it on a new tab. Free graphic design, new tab. And free audio, new tab. So I'm going to open all of these things up so that you can see exactly some of these products, and I might go ahead to show you exactly how to download them and sell them using Selar. Okay, so let's keep watching. So I'm kind of opening all of them now. This is the free ebook section. As you can see here, they have high quality ebooks. This is how to accomplish more in a fraction of time. Expert interviews for extra traffic. Now people are looking for traffic, right? This could be a potential good product or good ebooks to sell. Now this internet business startup kit advanced, how to create your own physical video product. You can see high quality ebooks, 6-figure blogging. This ebook, people are interested in something like this. People want to know exactly how to make money online blogging. So this is how to start a blog for profit. So let me go ahead to open this one up. If I open this one up, you're going to find all the details you need here. Now look at all the details this book contains. Now look at what you can do with this product. You can be sold, yes. Can be used for personal use, yes. Can be packed with other products, yes. Can modify and change the sales letter, yes. Can be added to paid membership website, yes. Can put your name on the sales letter, yes. Can be offered as a bonus, yes. Can be used to build a list, yes. Can print or publish offline, yes. Can be given away for free, yes. Can convey and sell personal use, right? Yes. Now these are what you cannot do with this product. Can modify or change the main product. You are not supposed to change the main product. Can modify or change the graphics cover. You should not change the graphics cover. Can be added to free membership website. Don't add it to free membership website. It is made to be sold. Can convey and sell private label rights. No, you should not download this product and post it on this place. To I don't know what your objective could be using it like that. So but these are what you can do with this product. So a lot of these things are what we want to do. You want to sell it. Okay, so this is the site, 1.05 MB. Now if I'm interested in this ebook, all I need to do now is I can go ahead to preview it as well. If I click on this preview, it's actually going to tell me to log in first. I can go ahead to download. If I click on download, I will ask to be logged in. So let me log in, right? I think I have an account. I'm going to try and log in. If I don't have an account, I can, okay, yes, I have an account. If I don't have an account, I can just easily create an account. You just create an account and you have access. I have an account, so I'll just, let me preview. So if I preview this ebook, as you can see, this is the preview. If I go ahead to open it, these are all the things you're going to find in the file. This is the e-cover, opt-in page, special reports, desktop.in, whatever it is. So this is what you're going to find. If I go to download, if I download this ebook right now, as you can see here, it has gone over to download. This is now the ebook downloading right here, and it has downloaded, as you can see here, done. If I click on open, let me try and open the ebook. This is the file we have gotten. So simple. So as you can see here, we have the ebook itself and we have this license.pdf. Now this is the PLR license. Okay, so if I go ahead to open this license, let's see what this license is all about. So if I go ahead to open the license, this is what the license is all about. It's actually loading up. This is it. This is what the license contains. So you want to go ahead to read the license and keep the license for yourself, so that if in case you are selling the product and you are asked to provide a license, you can then show this license. But since we have it, no problem. Let me go ahead to open this ebook. This is the folder. If I go ahead to open this section right here, as you can see here, we have the ebook. So as you can see, this is the how to start the profitable this thing. If I go ahead to open it right now, you're gonna find the files, all the files we need for this ebook is typically right inside here. So as you can see, these are the images for the ebook. We have a lot of images. If I go back, so I'm just trying to show you everything that you have right here on the file. So if I go ahead to open it, as you can see here, we have the image, CSS, whatever, thank you page. We have special reports. This is the special report PDF. Yes, if I go back to this one, this is the desktop.inc. As you can see here, we have this stuff. So guys, everything is right here. Okay, so if I go to this special report.pdf, let me open this one as well. So how to start the profitable product. This is the ebook itself. As you can see here, special reports. This is the ebook itself. So this is what you want to sell. Okay, this is the personal one you want to sell. If I go ahead to open it up, as you can see, how to start the profitable blog icon, how to start a profitable blog, a blog for profit, and easy to follow blogging guides for beginners. So a blog needs to be monetized to generate revenue. It should be a successful blog. So guys, this is a very good, fantastic ebook. As you can see, it has detailed. Now I went ahead to actually open up or download this thing up to check it out myself, so that I'm going to show you, so that you can see for yourself and know that this is a high quality ebook, and this has premium information. I'm into blogging as well, so I actually know that this is a this ebook itself contains good information. So become an influencer blogger. So all you need to do now is to go to this platform called In Digital Works, right? Go to the platform called In Digital Works. Go ahead and search for awesome products. Now this is for the one for ebook. You can go ahead to check for free softwares. Now these are softwares that will solve so many problems. People are looking for softwares. Okay, so you can sell it. If you can go to the one of videos. These are the ones for videos. People are looking for, look at this, running a business. You can watch this video for running your business. You can go to free templates and themes. People are looking for templates and themes. Okay, can go ahead to download. If you can go to free graphics, people are looking for graphics templates. You can go ahead to check for audios. People are looking for free audio packs and all of those things. So guys, once you have this product, now all you need to do now is to go ahead to go to Selar, sign up for an account, create your account and all of those things. Once you have an account on Selar, then at your back end, which is going to look like something like mine, I'm going to, let me go back to my dashboard. So at your back end, what you need to now do is to now add a product. Click on add a product. Okay, after you've created your account, click on add a product. Now select the type of product it is. Okay, so if it's a digital product, which is like the one I'm talking about, just click on next, and then go ahead to fill out all the information that is required of us. So as you can see here, we need the name of the product, the sales price, and yes, and you need to select your currency. So me, I'm just using my Nigerian naira and USD. I can also decide to change the currency anytime I like, because Selar actually allows us to do that. Okay, so now select, add all this information, then you can now upload your PDF. You can also do your vendors should not be able to download it. They should be able to just read it alone. You can also allow them to download the file. So all you need to do now is to upload that files that we just downloaded. So you can simply just click on this, drag and drop here, and once you click on it, it's actually going to load up your computer desktop. Then you can go ahead to download to upload the one we just downloaded, which is this one. So all you need to do before we do that is to extract the files right here, extract it, then get access to the, okay, if you don't want to extract it, you can just double click on it, and it's actually going to upload the whole stuff right here. Okay, so once you do that, now anybody that buys this product, after you add all these products, okay, you're going to be given a link. Now that link will lead you to the sales page of this product. I don't want to go ahead to add this product to my store already, but I'm just trying to show you exactly how to go about it. So now once you have done it, you're going to get a link. After you feed all of this information, you're going to get a link. Let me show you what the link will look like. Okay, so if I go back to my dashboard, if I go to all products right here, you're going to find the products I already have in my stuff. So right here, if I go over to this one, so your sales page, if I click on view public link, So it's actually going to take me to the link of that product, okay, which is something after you've added all your products, you're gonna have a link. Now this is what the sales page is going to look like. Now of course this image is going to contain the image you have from you downloaded from the free PLR. So once you do that, you're going to have the title, the name, and the description you've written. I don't have any description for this product, so you're going to write a very good description. Then it's going to have the amount, then buy now. So this is a very simple sales page, and people can get all the information they need. And all you just need is this link. After you've created your account and added the products, you're going to be given the link. Then with that link, you can now sell the products to anybody. Anybody can go ahead to buy the products and download the products, and you make your money. Now how can you market the products? Because it's one thing to know all of these steps, and it's another thing for you to be able to market it. Now that is where you have to be smart. Okay, so now for you to sell this type of product, you need to first identify who needs this product. What is this product going to solve? What problem is this product going to solve? Where can I find the people that need the solution to this problem? Then you can now offer them this product. Now you can do that with this platform called YouTube. Okay, a lot of people are searching for a lot of things on this platform. You can create videos and market the product. You can also create videos on TikTok. You can have a website of your own where you talk about different problems and you offer solutions, which are this solution I just showed you. You can do email marketing. Now all of these steps I just showed are something that requires you to learn and practice before you sell. So that's one thing you need to know. For you to make money, you need to offer value. People need to trust you, for you to be able to make money. So be patient enough to learn and then implement all the steps I've showed you in this video. Trust me, if you do that, you are surely going to make money online, and you're going to make money even using this method I've showed you by using Selar and in digital work. So guys, I want to believe you really understand what this video is all about, and you've understood everything I showed you in this video. So please, two things to notice: this platform called Selar and the in digital works. Okay, with these two platforms you can make money if you know exactly what you're doing, because this in digital works has high quality PLR products, private label resale products that you can resell and keep 100% of the profit, and it's actually going to solve the problems of your customers or your clients. So guys, I'll end this video right now. I want to believe you learned something new today. If you actually do that, make sure to turn on the bell notification icon and subscribe to the channel, because I have more videos I'm going to be dropping for you guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Stay blessed.